Hello everyone. Welcome to All About Java, a beginner's guide to learning Java programming with me, Apurva Barve. This series is divided into many lessons, with each lesson focusing on different aspect of the language and helping you to implement it syntactically. In the first lesson, we are going to talk about Java's market relevance through the years. We will also discuss the important features of the language and some of its milestone releases. Next, we will talk about Java's strengths. And finally, let us understand the magical ingredient of Java, which is its bytecode. So come, let's deep dive. What makes Java market relevant? It is an obvious question because Java has successfully dominated the development scene for 20 plus years now. Java's market relevance lies in its versatility, which comes from its primary four flavors. The first one being the standard edition, famously called as Java SE. Java SE consists of the core functionality of the language. It covers a wide range of basic types and objects which can be used for networking, security, database access, graphical user interface, and XML parsing. The next flavor of Java is Enterprise Edition, also called as Java EE. The Enterprise Edition is built on top of Java SE and it is ideal for developing and running large, scalable, reliable, and secure network applications. The third flavor of Java is its Micro Edition, Java ME. The Micro Edition, as its name suggests, has a small footprint virtual machine and it is ideal for developing and running Java programs for small devices such as your mobile phones. Typically, these applications are often clients of the Java EE platform services. The fourth flavor of Java is Java FX, which is for creating rich internet applications written using Java FX script. So as you can clearly see, Java, armed with its four varieties, is fully capable of catering to a wide range of customers and thereby continues to be the most sought after technology in the market even today. Now let us take a look at how the language managed to offer exceptional features to its users and how those features got incorporated into specific releases. The very first release of Java happened in 1995. This was Java 1.0. Soon after that, we had Java 2 in 1998. With the release of Java 2, the language now supported features such as Swing GUI Toolkit, Collections Framework, and Assert Keyword. In the year 2004, Java released its fifth version, J2SE 5.0. In this version, the language added generics, annotations, auto-boxing and auto-unboxing, enumerations, for each loop, and var args. The next important release happened in 2011 with Java SE 7. And soon after that, in 2014, we had Java SE 8. With this, we now had diamond operator, lambda expressions, and Stream API incorporated into the language. In the year 2017, we had Java 9. This release added modules and J-Link features to the language and @index. As it is clear, the language has consistently made significant additions to its syntax and features and enabled the developers to focus on delivering the business logic instead of focusing on any other overheads. By now, we have seen what makes this language so popular within the development community. We have also seen how gradually and consistently the language developers kept adding competent features to this language and made it absolutely irresistible to the developers. Another contributing factor to Java's popularity is its core strength. The very first thing that you will notice when you start coding in this language is its simplicity. The syntax of this language inherits heavily from C and C++. So any developer who has knowledge of these languages will find it easy to adapt to Java. The next thing that you would love about Java is the fact that it is a pure object-oriented language. It has got the right blend of primitive, high-performing data types coupled with object-oriented approach of classes and objects. The next thing that you would love about Java is its robustness. Java is a strictly typed language, which means it is case sensitive. So names of variables, methods, classes matter. The other thing to know about Java is that it has got an highly evolved error handling mechanism, which makes it possible to handle errors in a simplified yet competent manner. Another factor of the language's robustness is its uniform behavior across the JVMs. We are going to discuss more about it when we come to the section dealing with bytecode. And then we also have to give credit to the language for its automatic memory management and the feature of garbage collection. All these factors decrease the overheads of a developer, making coding in Java easy and enjoyable. Finally, we have the feature of multi-threaded programs. Multi-threading simply means that you can have a program that does multiple things or tasks simultaneously. This contributes immensely towards faster execution of a given program. There are some more important features of the language apart from its simplicity, object oriented nature, robustness, and support for multi threaded programs, which we are going to discuss in the coming section. When you code in Java, you're modifying the .java file, which is also the source file. This .java file on compilation gets converted into a .class file. If you take a look at the project folders closely, you will find that for every .java file, you have a compiled class file. It is this .class file which consists of the bytecode. If you ever happen to open the .class file, you will notice gibberish inside it. And although it does not make any sense to you, it makes perfect sense to the JVM because it is the JVM that interprets this .class file and converts it into underlying machine or executable code. This machine code or executable code can be run on any machine which has Windows or Linux or Mac or any other configuration installed on it. The only thing that you would need is the JVM compatible to the underlying version. The previously discussed uniform behavior of Java programs is due to the bytecode and the underlying JVM executing it. It is because of this bytecode that we have Java programs that are portable in nature. Converting the source code into an intermediate form of bytecode makes it easier to run a program on wide variety of environments only because it is the JVM that needs to be installed on these platforms. The next feature of Java, which is achieved due to the bytecode, is machine independence. No matter what is the configuration of the underlying machine, running the bytecode within the JVM is all we need to execute a given program. Even though there are changes to the machine, as long as the right JVM is installed on it, the Java program will end up giving consistent results. Thus, we achieve write once, run everywhere concept because of this bytecode. Another noteworthy feature of Java is its security. This security is delivered because of the JVM. JVM, which is in complete control of executing the program, creates a restricted environment called as sandbox for the program. This design prevents the program from accessing any other resources from the native machine, thus making Java a very secure language. As you have observed, Java is a compiled and interpreted language. It is a two-step language. Many believe that typically when the program is interpreted into the native code, it becomes slower in execution. But in case of Java, only the selected portions of bytecode are interpreted into executable format or native code. This selective interpretation makes Java programs faster despite being compiled and interpreted. So, learners, this is all for today's lesson in All About Java lecture series. In our next video, we will discuss some important concepts related to OOPS and get to know a little bit more about Java. Till then, watch the space for more. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get regular updates. Thank you.